Hi there, just an update on the caravan battery situation we've been going through recently in previous videos. I'll leave a link at the top. We got a local caravan guy, service guy, to pop down to see the caravan at the storage yard, and he had a look at the caravan and the situation. And it seems like the best option would be to actually get a proper solar panel installed on the caravan and all the proper wiring, which is something we'll do in the future. But what we've done at the moment is what he did is install some quick release clamps on the battery, so we can just disconnect the battery quickly and we can bring it home if we're going to be not using the caravan for an extended period of time or over winter. We can just bring it home, trickle charge it in the garage or wherever, and then put it back in when we need to use it. He seemed to think that would be the best thing to do in the short term, and he said it'll be better for the battery than sat on a cold storage yard. It was a bit concerned that the panel that we had would probably do the job, but it was a bit concerned that it probably just wouldn't. Sometimes if it was bad weather, that it just wouldn't be enough to just to keep the battery alive and in good condition. So that's what he did. He's installed the quick release clamps on, and it's just a simple case of disconnecting the battery and reconnecting it. I'll put some footage, because he kindly let us film it while he was doing it. I'll put some footage and some pictures in amongst the video so you can see for yourself. But hopefully next time we do a video update on this, it'll be probably getting a proper solar panel installed, maybe on the roof of the caravan. But we just need to make sure, because as it's a new caravan, we were a bit concerned that obviously when you install a solar panel, you've got to mess about with the electrics, and you've got to drill a hole in the roof of the caravan, and we wanted to make sure it didn't affect the warranty or anything to do with that. So if I don't know anybody knows and who's watching whether those sort of modifications to a brand new caravan affect the warranty or anything, but if you could let us know. So that's where we are at the moment. So I'll put some footage of the guy putting the quick release clamps on, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and all that sort of stuff. And hey ho, let's talk. Thank you very much for watching.
I'll clamp it onto the battery so I can show you how simple it will be. So once you, I mean, you might be fortunate that you can do it without it before you put it in. Let's have a look. Sometimes you can do it actually here. Might not be able to. You might actually be in the van to do it. But no, we're all right. We've got enough to play with. Sometimes it's sort of like I haven't got enough clearance, but we're okay here. So that goes on there like that. That just literally locks down like that.
Right.
Exactly the same again on this side. Push that down like so. Bang. And they're locked onto those. Right. Onto the battery posts. So now, you know, I mean, just lift it working. And when you're taking it away, unclip like that, and that'll just release. Unclip like that, and that'll release as well.